In this short tutorial, I will show you how to disable AdBlocker in Google Chrome on Windows. If you're facing issues like this, such as not being able to access certain sites, this might be the reason. Nowadays, many websites use advanced AI technology to detect ad blockers. Let's fix it. Chrome has a built-in ad blocker that primarily targets intrusive ads. To disable this feature, open Google Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. Select Site Settings. Scroll down to find pop-ups and redirects, and click on it. Select the option, Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Now go back to the previous page. Scroll to the bottom of the list. Click on Additional Content Settings. Scroll further, and click on Intrusive Ads. Select the option, Any site you visit can show any ad to you. Now, if you have installed a third-party ad blocker extension, like AdBlock or uBlock Origin, you need to turn it off as well. Here's how to disable it. Open Google Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. Select Extensions. Then select Manage Extension. Look for the ad blocker extension you want to disable. Toggle off the extension by clicking the switch next to it. Or click the Remove button to uninstall it completely. Alternatively, if you see the ad blocker icon in your toolbar, right-click on the extension icon and select Remove from Chrome. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your ad blocking settings in Google Chrome, whether you're dealing with third-party extensions or Chrome's built-in features, and access your favorite sites that require you to disable your ad blocker.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.